Chintu curiously approaches the computer desk. His eyes are fixed on the keyboard buttons. He gently touches a button. Then he turns and looks at his teacher. Chintu asks, "Teacher, what can this computer do?" "It is just a machine," the teacher says with a smile. "This is a very special machine. It is faster than even our thoughts," the teacher further explains. "It can solve difficult math problems and remembers a lot." Hearing the teacher's words, Chintu's curiosity increases even more. He presses a button on the keyboard. As soon as the button is pressed, the computer's black screen lights up with colorful lights. Beautiful icons appear on the screen. Chintu's eyes widen in amazement as he sees all this. The teacher says with a smile, "Look, this is a magical world. Here, you can draw pictures," the teacher says. "You can watch cartoons on this and play fun games too." Chintu asks in surprise, "Mom, is this really a magic box?" Mom says with a smile, "It only shows magic when we give it the right instructions."